Hi guys, in this video we will see how to update your Microsoft OneNote app on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If your OneNote app not working properly, then you must update OneNote app. Here are the process. First, go to Windows search and type OneNote and open OneNote app in your system. OneNote app is now open. Here, go to Files from the top left corner and here click on More. Here choose Accounts. Click on it. Here from the right side you will find the option Update Options. Click on a small arrow and you will find the option Update. Just click on a small arrow and find Update Now. 4 options available. Choose Update Now and your Microsoft OneNote app is now downloading. Checking for updates. Downloading Microsoft 365 and Office updates. It will take some time. Wait till 100% verification and downloading process completed. Save your work before continuing. So choose Continue. Closing app. Please close programs. Click on Close.